Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientech CRM Consulting and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about some admin level settings which you can do in Zoho Workdrive. So let's get started. So as we are right now in Zoho Workdrive, so in order to access the admin level settings, you need to go to the settings first. So on the top right side, you will see this button. Simply click here, and here besides personal, you will see admin. So simply click here. So I will repeat it again that only the super admin will be able to use this functionality. Other general users won't be able to see this option. So please keep note that. And once you came to the admin level settings, you will see a lot of options like dashboard, team folders, members. You can customize the client users, activities, data templates, etc. etc. But now we will just go to the settings and we will just see like what kind of customization admin can do. So first thing first is the profile. So you can change your team name. Like right now it's the demo. This is demo account, so this is something like this. But you can always change your team name. You can also change your super admin contact. You can also change like who should be the super admin. Like you can just change it from one user to another. Super admin is basically considered as the owner of a team. Like so, only a user admin can only create or delete a team. So this is one of the functionalities. After that, this is the branding. So you can just simply customize your logo, like how this kind of logo, like how it should look like. You can always add your company logo, or you can just leave it as it is. But yeah, this is how you can do it. And the next thing is content. So you can convert all files to Zoho Workdrive format once they have been uploaded. Like how you wanted to see your content. Like basically, do you want it to convert it into the Zoho Workdrive format, or you just want it to be as it is. So you can do that things, and you can also add an additional OCR search language. Basically, it's just optical character recognition to it just make your search a little bit more according to how you need it to be. So you can do that as well. The next thing is roles and permission. So here you can decide like what user should be able to see what kind of documents or folders. For example, if there is a public team folder you have created, so who can see that? Like only the admins can see that, or anyone on the team can see that. So these kind of customization you can always do. And the next thing is sharing. Like will you allow sharing files between the team members or not, or outside the team members? So you can, if you want to disable it, you can just simply disable it through here. And here allow download and print. So you can also make some settings, like you can also prohibit your users to download any file or anything just for security purpose. So all this customization regarding data sharing is built done through here. And the next thing is custom domain. So I think this one has already told in my previous videos. I won't go into that. The next thing is Workdrive apps. So it allows team members to use Workdrive desktop sync apps. So maybe if you created any Workdrive apps into your system, so you can just simply allow or disallow your team members to use those mobile apps. And the next thing is data retention. So here you can retain your data. It's like a backup, like how you wanted to back up your data. So all those things you can select, like you don't want to delete any item. You can delete any item who is in trash. After 30 days they will get deleted permanently. All those things. And the next thing is storage. So you can also set the storage limit in your Workdrive. So that can be done through here. And last one is you can set up your AI for Workdrive as well. So it will help you to leverage your team and with the help of AI. But so yeah, these are all the customization which is being allowed to admins only. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need more professional help about it in order to select the right software solution for your business, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link in the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.